Biggest thing is you want to test drive it. You know, you want to drive it. You know, make sure you don't hear any odd pops, rattles, noises. You know, make sure it's got plenty of power. It doesn't feel like it's being held back by anything. You want to take note on the date of the battery. Check out the belts for excessive wear. You know, kind of just do a visual inspection. Make sure you ain't got a bunch of loose wires hanging out underneath the golf cart that may get caught up when you're out riding. You know, even speed bumps I've seen take them wiring out from underneath golf carts. This actually is a reman. This is a used cart coming off of a golf course. It was used as part of a rental fleet. We brought it in, tore it down, cleaned it up. Anything the golf cart needed as far as service-wise, it was either repaired or replaced. Frame gets pressure washed, painted. We did a custom painted body on this one that we had in stock. HD shocks, 4-seater kit with the long roof. And we also did something that's new. We've got the new 15-inch wheels and tires on it.